All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to look at Algo here. So Algo, I think the bottom is finally in for Algo after all this time from the high back here on the weekly chart from November of 2021 to the low. You can see that the price of Algo is right above the 236 here on the macro scale at 19.4. So the fact that you're finally over this level here is extremely bullish for Algo, in my opinion, as long as you stay over 19 here. And you can see the next stop is going to be where I have this red box on the chart up to 32 at that 3.2, and the bottom of the box is representing these candles here that held support all back here. So anywhere from about 28 cents to 32 cents is going to be your big price to get over here. And then once Al goes over that 3.2, that's going to tell you the bottom is in and you are bullish at that point. And then, of course, the next stop here in this next bull run would be the 618 at 76 pennies. Once you get over 76, to the moon she goes here. So we're going to get this off of the chart. We're going to zoom in a little bit to the 3-day candles and keep it real simple here. From the low here to the high, let me get this up. The 382 and 236 line up perfectly with your 618 and your 0.5. So technically, Algo needs to stay over that macro price that we pointed out, that 19. But you may get a little pullback down here to this 618, 236 for a 9% drop at 18.2. And I would say as long as you hold that, you are still bullish to hold over that macro price. There could be a 0.5382 retracement here for a 21% drop. But you really don't want that to happen because you are over that macro 236 here. But you could pull back to 15.6 here and still technically be bullish from the low to the high 382 retracement and a nice bounce to the upside. So with that said, let me zoom back to the weekly chart here. And with that said, you can see how the price is dipping below these levels. It's not quite respecting the Fibonacci's on the chart. It's above it and below it every time. So that could be your 382 retracement down here, down to that 0.5, where we dip back down below that 236 a little bit, but yet hold on to this as support and we go right back up. So that is a possibility. So hopefully you understand what I was trying to get across there. And ultimately, from where you are right now, as long as you stay over the high to the low 618 at 18.2, you're extremely bullish in my opinion on Algo here. So Algo to the moon, I guess. I think the bottom is finally in here, up and sideways from here on out. And of course, the big price to beat from where you are right now is the 22.5 penny mark for a 15% move. And then the next stop is going to be our red box up here, anywhere from 28 for a 43% move up to about a 66% move up to 32 cents. So yeah, I would say once you break this high from back here that you see on the Fibonacci at 30, you're officially going to be bullish, and the bottom is officially in on Algo once you get over that 30-cent range. So hopefully that all made sense. The momentum is shifting down, as we can see on the stock RSI at the moment. So like I said, we may get a 382 retracement. So you may get a dip one last time on Algo down to the 15.6 mark for that 22% move, and then we'll just take it from there. But any lower than that 382 and that 0.5 at 15.5, then we got bigger problems here, and she's coming down probably back to the bottom. So yeah, we will leave it at that on Algo. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.